Hi, this is Monica. I came from Delhi. So I came in Vimhan's Niyati on 4th of November with a tumor in my spinal cord, and because of that my lower body got almost paralytic. But here Mr. Dr. Sumit Goyal told me that we need to do a surgery on urgent basis, and within 12 hours we went for the surgery, and that went very well. He consoled me, he told me all the pros and cons of the surgery, and we were not having the time. So, with the consolement of Sumit Goyal, I went for the surgery. The surgery went well, and after post surgery, my legs are actually working. I am feeling the sensations. I am feeling alive now, and might be within a week or two, I'll be able to walk also, which I was not able to from past 2 to 3 months. So the tumor which I was having is approximately 2 to 3 years back, and because of the negligence, I I realized that's my mistake, and because of that, I had to go with this surgery. So what I suggest is, do not take anything, any spinal cord thing or any spine or brain thing leniently. Go to the doctor, do the MRIs, and please do the surgeries if it is necessary, because life is everything. Firstly, my sensations are gone from my legs, and then I was not able to walk properly. After that, my bladder went off. I was not able to pass the urine. Then I went into emergency here in Niyati hospital, and then it is diagnosed by MRI that I was having a tumor in my spinal cord. So late night I got diagnosed by Mr. Sumit Goyal. He came himself to the office, this hospital, sorry, and then he told me that it is very necessary and it is urgent to do the surgery within 12 hours, and he cannot delay it. So as a doctor, I would say he was very sympathetic, and he told me not to get it delayed and make it as soon as possible. He consoled me very well. He told me all the pros and cons of the surgeries, that what I could not have. I can be on wheelchair, I can be paralytic, but there is a 90% chance that I will be okay. So with his confidence on me, I went to the surgery. And after the surgery, he was the one who is presented. He wake me up from that anesthesia and told me that surgery went well. Approximately that was 6.5 to 7 hours of surgery, and he was happy that see that now my legs are working, they can move, and now still today I came to him for this removal of stitching and all, and he is in touch with me on regular basis, telling me each and everything, solving all my problems, and coming to me all the time. Whenever I call him, he is available on phone. So that's a very good thing with the staff, doctors, nurses, and this hospital is extremely nice. I would recommend everybody for spinal or brain or neuro or anything, come to this hospital. The staff is very nice, the surgeons are very nice, the doctors are very nice, nurses, even the housekeeping, everything. I found everything utmost amazing. Thank you.